Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam appeared in Makkah Mukarramah on the morning of Zulhajj, and he had worn ihram pilgrim garb for Hajj, whereas he had not combined the other thing, Umrah, with it. When we had reached there, he commanded us to make it Umrah and practice coitus with the wives. So the companions started discussing it. Atta states that Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, some of us will go to Mina while the semen will be dripping from his private part. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu beckoned with his palm. When this news reached the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he got up to deliver a sermon and said, it reached me that some people say such and such, whereas by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I am more righteous and God-fearing than them. If I had known whatever has happened now, I would not have sent the sacrificial animal, and if I had not had the sacrificial animal, I would have come out of ihram. So Hazrat Suraqa bin Malik bin Josham got up and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whether this concession is only for us or it is everlasting. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, it is everlasting. Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu said, Hazrat Ali bin Abu Talib came. One of them said that he said, I pronounce talbiyah only for the thing Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has donned the ihram for. The other said, I pronounce talbiyah for Hajj like Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thus the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said they should keep on wearing ihram, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam partnered them off in sacrifice. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2505 and 2506.